I stumbled upon a really great video on YouTube called Mind Bending Bass Exercise. Now the exercise doesn't necessarily look real when you first see it, so check it out and you'll see what I mean. This exercise is genius, it's totally genuine, so top marks to Andre for his video. Now you can use this exercise to work on your technique, to have even notes and smooth tone. I've notated this exercise to show you that it's actually real. You can pick up a copy of that PDF and standard notation and tab by clicking the link below this video in the description. Let's break this exercise down. So we start on C, it's basically C, B, B flat, A. And we're just playing those 4 notes over and over again. So we use 1 finger per fret, starting on our little finger. And then we shift up 1, start the C on our 3rd finger. And we play that note there on the D string. And then we shift up with our 2nd finger and play 2 notes on the D string. Then shift to our 1st finger and play 3 notes on the D string. So I'll just play that bit slowly. And then speed that up. And once you're there, then you play the whole pattern again on the D string. Okay, starting on the 10th fret. We're back to those 1 finger per fret, just C, B, B flat, A. And then we shift along again, do the same thing. And then play 1 note on the A string, 2 notes on the A string, 3 notes on the A string. And then we start again. Now on Mustang, I can only fit a few more notes in. So depending on what bass you've got, you can carry on. If you've got a 5 string, you carry on even further. So it's very hard to play that smooth. So it's definitely something that you can kind of take your time to work on and to really practice and try to get even notes. Or look below in the description, I've put a link there. Hit the thumbs up button if you like this video, and don't forget to leave me a comment and let me know what you thought of this exercise. And if you found this video useful, you can always buy me a coffee. The link's at the bottom of the screen, or you can click the link below in the description. Don't forget to check out my website, gbshed.com. I've got loads of bass courses and details of my teaching there. This is Greg from Greg's Bass Shed. Hopefully see you very soon in the next video.